In this video, I'll show you how to connect dual monitors to PC. Firstly, click on the Start menu and go to Settings, System, then Display. Windows will automatically detect any connected monitors and assign one as the primary display, while the second one becomes a secondary display. Look for the Rearrange Your Display section and click and drag the monitors icon 1 and 2 to match their actual physical layout. Side by side, dragging left to right for horizontal setups and stacked setup, placing one above the other for vertical configurations. Just click and identify to see which number corresponds each other. Just a tip, this step helps your Windows understand how to move your cursor and window seamlessly between screens. Just adjust display settings and choose a display mode like multiple displays or extend displays. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.